Christmas vocabulary with pictures. Ornaments, Ornaments. Elves, Elves, elves. Wreath, Wreath, wreath. Mistletoe, Mistletoe, mistletoe. Stocking, Stocking, stocking. Reindeer, Reindeer, reindeer. Red ribbon, Ribbon, red ribbon. Sleigh, Sleigh, sleigh. Colorful lights. Snowflakes, Snowflakes, snowflakes. Candy cane, Candy, candy, Cane, candy cane. Gingerbread, gingerbread. Snowman, Santa Claus, Santa Claus. Egg-nog, it's a traditional beer. Egg-nog. Let's play winter game. What are these? A. Gingerbreads. B. Stocking and lights. C. Sleigh and Santa. You have 10 seconds. B. Stocking and lights. What are these? A. Reindeer and mistletoe. B. Snowflakes. C. Wreath and candy cane. You have 10 seconds to find the correct answer. C. Wreath and candy cane. What are these? A. Elves and reindeer. B. Ornaments. C. None of them. Look at these pictures and find the correct answer. Your time starts now. A. Elves and reindeer. If you love my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Take care of yourself and happy holidays.